Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we will go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell and open it. I'm clicking on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is add content. The add content command in PowerShell is used to append content to the end of a file. It allows to add new data or a text to an existing file without overwriting the existing content. The syntax is add content hyphen path. We have to give complete file path along with the file name to which we need to add the content space hyphen value. We have to mention the content which we need to add so that this content will be appended to the existing file at the end. Now we'll see how to use this in a PowerShell. First, we'll see the existing files. For that, we have to use get child item. In directory 2, we have these many files. To work on example, we'll take a file 4. For that, first we'll see what is there in file 4. To check that, we have to use get-content to see the content of file 4. Here, we are able to see 4 lines of data. Now, we'll try to append some content to this file. For that, we'll use get-content command. For that, we will use add content command. Now we have to give hyphen value and with double quotes we have to give the content here. Now I'm pressing enter. We'll see what will happen. So now we added the content to file 4. Now we'll see the content which is there in a file 4. To do that, get hyphen content hyphen path. See, the content has been added at the end of the file. Now we'll see one more example. We'll repeat the same once again. This is the command which we executed earlier. So now we'll run this once again and we'll see the data. This command we use it for displaying the content in a file 4. See, it's added at the end again. Here it looks like there is some white space in the file so that it appended at the end of the line. Now we'll try to add a few more lines. For that, hyphen value. Here we have to provide the content. For example, I'm giving line 1 and then I'm giving new line, line 2, I'm giving new line, line 3, I'm giving new line, line 4. We'll see what will happen. Now we'll see the content of file. which we appended. See, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, because we used a new line here. To append any data in a new line, so we have to use this one. These are all about add content.